Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on your CoinStats account using the CoinStats mobile app. To change your display language in the CoinStats account, first of all, launch open the CoinStats app and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Within the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings interface, tap on Language. Select a different language from the list of the language options that you want to change to, and you should be able to see the language updated with your selection. The app should now update to the selected language immediately, so that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.